Hi, in this video we're going to see there are two types of loops in JavaScript. The one is for off loop and another is for in loop. Let's say I have an array of fruits which has three fruits: apple, mango, and lychee. I want to iterate the elements of these fruits. Elements of an array. So I'll use for off loop. Say I want to get the fruit and come to log to the screen. My log screen is on the right. We will log the fruit there. On the right we see we have three fruits. Now if I want to get the properties of this YouTube channel object, which are two, name and videos, I will use for in loop. So I will say let property in YouTube channel, and we will console log property. Yes, we have on the right name and videos.